Well, hello there. We're talking about a Gone with the Wind lamp restoration today, and you'll see here where I've done a rendering based on a photograph of what was brought to us, and we're starting off with a completely blank milk glass globe. And I start this process because the original lower part of the lamp actually is colored glass. Some of them were airbrushed and painted in various ways to kind of create a color, but this one is actually colored glass as well as quite dirty with there's a lot of Brasso, there's a lot of other weird cleaning products on this, and so we're able to kind of clean that, get that back into condition, and you can see where the upper globe now is a very close match to the lower globe in terms of color. And what I like to do when I start these is I will start with both of the fixtures or both of the lamps on. And it seems counterintuitive because this is a floor lamp also. A lot of these were standing tabletop type lamps, and they were originally oil filled. For those of you who aren't familiar with a Gone with the Wind lamp, these were originally, a lot of the times, or all of the times, unless it's a repro, they were an oil lamp, and then they've been refitted with electrical. And I can't even imagine, because this is really unstable. I don't know if you can tell, this is really actually quite hard to paint, but I do them together like this because I want to see and create an image, an outline of an image on the upper globe that melds well and is reflective of the lower original globe. So there's a little bit of focus on that. And then I start the in painting from a seated position. And before I even start on this, because this is literally all done just by eye, I don't tend to put a lot of markings or chalk or anything like that on there. It's all just done by eye. And while I'm doing that, for the video purposes, here I am, you know, it looks like it's fairly simple, but I've done a lot of brush testing ahead of time on glass to get kind of the right brush quality, and I am using natural bristle brushes to imitate what was done originally. Also, the original artist that did the lower globe was right-handed, so it's been a real challenge for me to paint some of this left-handed, but you can see that I think it turned out really beautifully. And the biggest test is, does it look as good with the light on as it does with the light off? And I'd say that the answer is yes. Super pleased the way this turned out. So thank you so much for watching to the end, and stay tuned. There's a whole lot more. Have a great day.